In this module, we'll be looking at what kind of different website options do you have. And for this module, I'll be using a website called bubbl.us. I use this website a lot on a different projects for brainstorming and just so I have a better visual picture of what I'm working with. So let's get started. And I'm gonna move this bubble right over here. Then I'm gonna type in free in here. And then I'm also gonna create another bubble and I'll move it right over here. And I'm gonna type in paid. So when you're ready to create a website, you have two options. One, you can get a free website where you can go to a website which is powered by Google. It's called blogger.com. So it's blogger.com. And then once you're there, you can open up your URL or your own website, which they give it to you. So in this case, I could potentially end up with a website name markkumar.blogger.com. So once I have my website name, which could be markkumar.blogger.com, then I'm getting ready to add content to my website. And with Blogger, they give me 10 pages that I can add different stuff to it. Like for example, I can add pictures to it, I can add text to it, I can add YouTube videos to it, I can add links to another website or anything else that I want. And I can get all that for free and never have to pay for anything. The only downfall for using a free version of the Google Blogger is that I cannot have unique URL like markkumar.com. If I wanted to have that name like markkumar.com, I have to go to the paid side of the things. That way I can brand myself the way I want it to brand. So let's say under the paid part, I can get my own URL, which could be markkumar.com. And then from there, I can get myself my own business email if I wanted to. Let's say, for example, info@markkumar.com. And then also on top of that, I can create myself many subdomains. So let's type in subdomains. And what they are, they just act as a different website. So let me move this right over here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another bubble. And I'm going to move this right here. So I could potentially have another subdomain name, photo.mark.kumar. And then I can have another subdomain name, I don't know, let's say clients.markkumar, where I can store all my clients' information in terms of if they want to look at the gallery, I can set up an option where they can enter in the password and then they can look at the pictures. And the photo could be just the pictures that I want to show different people. So I can have multiple subdomains, and each one of these domains or website can act as an individual website. Or if I wanted to open up another subdomain, let's say friend.markkumar.com. And I'm going to move this over here and this one over here, and come on, little bubble. I'm going to move this right here. And for the friend.markkumar.com could act as its own website, which I can sell it to somebody else for them to use it, and then I can charge them for it. And you have that option as well. So depending on what you want to do, if you want to not spend any money and don't care about having a subdomain like markkumar.blogger.com, then free part of it is definitely the route you want to go to. However, if you do care about your branding, marketing, the way you want to do it, you want to go on the paid side of it. So in this case, you could have your own website name, you can have your own email or emails as much as you want, and then on top of that, you can have your own subdomains. So you can create multiple subdomains for under your website. So with that said, in the next part, we will be looking at the website and the menu structure for your website. And I'll see you there.